Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So today we are going to start the new chapter which is the mensuration. It is the part of your geometry section. Okay. So in mensuration, the main terminology we are going to use for the different structure. Okay. So the different structures are cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so we know cuboid. Cuboid is like this type of structure is cuboid. It is the cuboid. Then we have cube. So cube is like cuboid, but all the sides of cuboids are same, then it becomes cube. Okay, here all the sides are equal in length. Okay, then we have cylinder. Okay, it is the cylinder. Okay, now we have cone. Okay, it is the cone. Then we have sphere. Okay, it is the sphere. Okay, hemisphere. Hemisphere means the half of the sphere. Okay, so it is the hemisphere, sphere, cone, cylinder, then we have cube and cuboid. Okay, so we are going to measure the terminology that we are going to measure here, the area, then we will measure the volume, then we will measure the surface area, then total surface area, then curved surface area, then lateral surface area related to all these 6 objects. Okay, then the main symbol that we are going to use is L, the small l, which is nothing but the length. Okay, so here we are going to use the length. Okay, then the breadth we are using the small b to represent it. Okay, then the height is represents by the small h. Here again small h, here again small h. Okay, it is the small h represents the height. Then we have r is used for the radius. Okay, so here it is radius, here it is radius, here it is again radius, and it is also radius. Okay, then L again used for the slant height in case of cone. So it is cone, so here L is represent the slant height. Okay, then we have pi. So when we will measure the area where the circular part is used, then there pi is used. Its value is 22 divided by 7, or in decimal point we are using it as 3.14. We are using only 2 point after decimal. Okay, so this is the terminology, these are the symbol, and these are the objects that we are going to measure their area, volume, surface area, total surface area, curved surface area and lateral surface area of this object. Okay, so now we are going to understand the important formulas of all the objects one by one. Okay, so first we will understand the formula for cuboid. Okay, so now we are going to understand the important formulas for all these 6 structure. Okay, so I am just suggesting you to take a picture of this and just print it out and stick in front of your study table. Okay, so all these formulas are very important to understand all about mensuration of your class. Okay, So first we will understand the formula of cuboid. So in cuboid there are three terminology. One is lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. So the formula for lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B. What is L, B and H? Here we have all about L, B and H. L is the length, B breadth, H is height. Okay. Then we have total surface area. So the formula for total surface area is 2 into, in bracket you have to write all, which is L plus B, then B plus H and H plus L. Then we have volume. So volume of cube is L into B into H. You have to learn all these formulas by heart. Okay. Now next we have cube. The lateral surface area of cube is 4 into L square, where L is the length. Okay. Then total surface area is 6 into L square. Again L is the length. And the volume is L cube. Okay. Why L cube? Because all the sides are equal. So L into L means L cube. Then we have cylinder. Okay. So for cylinder we have first terminology, which is curve. SA is surface area. Just you have to remember, wherever we have written SA, which is the surface area. Okay. So curved surface area for cylinder is 2 pi RH, where again pi is the 22 divided by 7, R is the radius and H is the height. Then we have total surface area. Its formula is 2 pi R into R plus H. Then we have volume, it is pi R square H. Okay. Then we have cone. Cone have four terminology. First is slant height. So for slant height we have formula L equals to root H square plus R square. Then we have curved surface area. It is pi into R into L. Then we have total surface area, which is pi into R, pi R into R plus L. Then we have volume. It is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Then we have sphere. For sphere we have only two terminology. One is curved surface area, total surface area or surface area, which is pi R square, which is 4 pi R square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Then we have hemisphere. For hemisphere we have three terminology. One is curved surface area, then total surface area and volume. So curved surface area we have 2 pi R square. For total surface area we have 3 pi R square, and for volume we have 2 by 3 pi R cube. Okay. So these are all the formulas that you have to remember by heart. Okay. I want you to take a screenshot, then print it out. Take a screenshot with the better quality. You have to just set your mobile phone on 720. Okay. Then you can take a screenshot and print it out. Okay. And just stick right in front of your study table. Okay. So that you will learn all this formula every day. Then you will get understand. Now you will memorize it. Okay. So write down this part. It is very important. So students, today we have understood all the terminology that we are going to use about the cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and हेमिस्फीयर. ओके. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.